hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Yeet!
Locations impacted include Dukehurst, Narrows, Taffy, Jingo, Real, Sulphur Springs, Adaberd, Sunnydale, Dundee, and Megan. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Ohio, Kentucky,